Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today, we just got done photographing 106 Silver Eagle Way in Vacaville for Mike Martin with Remax Gold. We did photography and an iGuide 3D virtual tour, and we're going to go in and check out this not quite on the market yet property. Now, this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath house, 2,671 square feet, and it's on a 6970 square foot lot. Here we have laundry. It's like there's gas and electric dryer hookup. And we have a 3-car garage. This I would say is a bonus room. It's huge. Primary bathroom with the toilet closet, a huge walk-in shower, nice big primary closet, here we have the deck, a view of the backyard. The side of the yard is the AC and all the pool equipment. There's a lot of area right here. Looks like that might be a waterfall over there. We have the hot tub. There you have it. 106 Silver Eagle Way, Vacaville, California, 95688. Again, 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2,671 square foot house, built in 1990 on a 6,970 square foot lot. Contact Mike Martin, Remax Gold, In Motion Real Estate, if you're interested in looking at this property. Thanks for watching.